Chidinma and Joy, una no dey rest for quarrel. Una no dey rest for quarrel. Pregnant women wey be say they no know their self, they no know their left, they no know their right. They no know say person wey get belle, e dey put himself for one place. E no dey, e body no need all this trouble wey una dey do to una self so. Na no dey rest. Na no dey rest. If anything happen to una enemy here, Nancy go move on with his life. More na dey there dey fool una self. You get belle, this one get belle. Every time na dey quarrel up and down, they push each other, they do all sort of things. Now no give una self peace. Especially Chidinma. Especially you, Chidinma. You want carry madam by fire by all means. You want carry madam by fire by all means for a mule empire. If anything else dey happen, you don't run come out. Before Nancy go talk one, you don't talk two for inside. I don't know madam where you dey form. I pray may Nancy marry you last. So if not, they go to laugh you because the way you take carry this matter for her there, like Gala where they hawk for express road for Lagos, not be small something. Everything that you they shook your mouth put. Even if the one night stand Joy say you won't go see Nancy, may talk about Berry. What it gonna concern you? You go let her go talk now. If Nancy listen to her, so be it. If you not listen to her, so be it. Not let you and get mad to take talk to Nancy. If you want go talk, you will leave her may go. I not dey understand this wife material where you dey form, where they ever marry you before, they ever go put one cola not for your Nancy ever go see your parents, may tell them say you deal with her, nothing. Guys, share this video, remain your humble girl in that gist TV.
I beg, gonna be you.
I beg, come, stand up now! Come. I'm fine. No, they hear one, no, they talk, no, they hear. Come, I go give her now. She don't want peace. I supposed to go this morning. You dey use the energy they fight. Why I no go fight her now? She won't make I come. She wants to see the back. You to go use your life, do something. Use your life, do something.
Leave her. She be warrior.
No, you're happy. I don't want to know this rubbish.
Why I not go happy? Why I not go happy? I said that Ben is not coming back to this house, and nothing is going to happen.
And you will come back.
If you like, meet Nancy for Nancy tomorrow. Nancy will not bring Berry back to this house.
You will come and let me tell you something. Nancy is my husband. I have the right to tell you what about to do and what I want. I want Berry back to this house, and Berry will come back to this house.
And I say Berry is not coming back.
You will come back.
And I say Berry is not coming back.
You I don't know why we are this heartless and wicked. I don't know.
You see that is wicked.
You're very wicked.
You see that is heartless.
God is punishing you. God is punishing you. You're so heartless. Look at this girl. I just talk to Nancy concerning Berry Kokoma side just for no scattered everything. Man that Nancy did this from now. Are you happy now?
I think say he be in first wife. No, talk to him now. Just tell him.
Why did you call me in the first place? Since me and Nancy talk for this house now, why did you call me for the first place?
Why I not
come inside the room?
This is my husband's room, so I have the right to come to this.
Is he not my husband?
So talk to him and tell him to
but
bring Berry back.
My point is that who invited you to come to you to come and interrupt the thought that was
who invited me? How?
This is
my room. This is my room.
Which room? Is it your room? Like I don't blame you for not.
And I said that. See, if you like talk for nothing tomorrow, Berry will not come back to the house.
I will surprise you.
Who try to surprise me again?
Berry will surprise you and you will see it. You go shock you say, don't worry, and you see Berry very soon.
This is just the beginning.
In the next 2 days,
this is just
you
the beginning
for this house.
Which one is 2 days?
Change my name from just that thing. You will see Berry in this house.
2 days.
Change my name.
Hey, God,
Look at this girl, you're so very wicked. You're very wicked. Why don't you because of you? They don't pursue fight and Berry. Now allow Berry to come back and she said no.
Berry will not come back.
What is that? What did Berry
not coming back?
What did Berry do to you?
So you don't know.
What did Berry do?
You don't know.
What is happening now? What is happening now? No, never tire for this thing.
Wait. Everything is just so annoying. I'm not saying this and avoid this guy. I need to probably avoid this house. They don't matter for this house. I come there, come tell, and they talk to Nancy concerning Berry to come back to this house. This fool, useless guy from nowhere. Enter.
No,
No, I'm very pissed off right now.
No,
If you like piece of food, not piece of food, you not gonna sign me. Berry is not coming back to this house. And that's it. If you like shout from morning till night, Berry is not coming back to this.
Listen to me.
You will not come back to the house. Oh.
Chidinma, listen to me. I don't tell you this thing. All this thing no go end anywhere. You know they carry this thing go heaven. You know they carry this thing was it by they take her to anywhere. So I beg. Waiting there to talk to Nancy.
I need to talk to Nancy. And
nobody
should talk to Nancy again.
I'm not there to talk to Nancy. I was not talking to Nancy concerning Berry coming back to this house. This is come back from nowhere. We start to do issue. They start to exchange, but not to leave the room for us. Nancy not even listen to me or either her. This is it good?
These guys are doing enough.
Is it good?
As my husband, they leave this room every time. They come out, they go outside, come back in the night because of una problem. I like him. Una like him. No, say a man need peaceful wife. Eh? Now they give am trouble, He go
You
still
no go sign me,
cheat again. Una try to dey avoid.
You no go sign me at all. It's not my business. Whether Berry no come or you know. But what I know is that Berry is not coming back to this house.
And you will come
And
back.
you cannot do anything about it.
And you will come back to the house, because it will shock you. I say I give them 2 days. See you, sir. If you don't see better,
Unless
change my name from Dread to another.
Unless I say yes. Unless I say
Change my
yes.
name
That's
from
when
Dread
Berry
to
come back to this
something
house.
else. You will come
Apart from
back.
that, Berry can never come to this house.
Oh, they use gara 10 pesos.
Leave him. Just leave
Wait,
him.
I should be calm for Chidinma.
You need to be calm.
No, I should be
They
calm
say
for
if you want
Chidinma.
anything in life, you should be loyal, very loyal. So
You don't even know say wetin be
I
lawyer.
came to my husband, but I did not even use camera. I came to Nancy begging that she should bring Nancy Berry back to the house. Nancy was okay. Like you would think about it. This one I decide came in and started attacking me.
Until when I decide that Berry is coming back, that is when Berry. But as for now, I don't have any business. We don't have any business with Berry.
me, I don't tire for all these things.
If you like, meet Nancy for Nancy tomorrow. It will not still
I don't
work.
like-
You go come back
as far as-
because me. Look at this, like this girl.
You guys are not listening to me. Now me old person.
Which one be old
quiet? I feel like to come in and they street was as my day like this. No they tire. Abba.
Me wake up, I can't see Nancy before I can't see two of them. If you like me meet Nancy, if you like me Berry, anything cry.
Be like say peace is far from me.
Nancy, no go still listen to you.
Chidinma, to make peace now is far from you. Abi.
All these days now, they do my legs, then they do any problem now. I know they come out again because of my condition. Now they just did my room, no say go, I know say very soon I go go. I don't want just they do stress. But this girl want make I bring her, you want make I bring back my energy and my background about because not say me, I still get strong.
I
they talk to you, they go back. See, respect
If you drag me again, I will slap you.
Respect
I
yourself.
see. I know
This thing they piss me by sweat. I'm not happy with it. Which one?
Which one is you are not happy with it?
When they come, see, I tell you something. In this life, avoid all the problem. If they try to break up, avoid them. And they tell now all these things no go ever pay. It no go pay. For joy, if you want to talk to your husband, talk to him with a calm voice, not with a loud voice.
You know they here. I came to
Even though she's talking,
If you like, midnight,
now she start to the shout.
okay, person they too much. You answer the person, just walk away. Calm down. If nasty day, you come meet and then say, my dear husband, as what I was saying before Chidinma come interrupt us, I beg, try see this reason, bring Berry back. But you know go do that one.
Now you want to blame me. This thing really explain. I know the year.
I dey hear am.
But how can they explain to you now? You know the year.
Chidinma is wrong. But try to dey avoid.
But this thing is very painful now. You know
You very husband. You very husband.
Is it? Which one is? What did she say again?
Which kind of process of
What did she say? Come again.
See, I just dey tell you, now explain now why they give you. Berry is not come back to this house. You better have it in your
Look at
mind.
this girl.
Have it in your mind.
Like touch you now, be like I've touched you.
See,
You don't allow me
Jennifer.
to lay my hands on you. Respect yourself.
You respect yourself.
Respect yourself. I dare your layer. Avoid me in this house. I'm telling you, Chidinma. Avoid me.
talk na no get wo.
She's bitter.
Hey, to go antenatal. When you supposed to go this morning, you dey use the energy dey fight.
Why I no go fight her now? She won't make I come. She want to see the
You say you to go use your life do something.
Leave
Use
am.
your life do something. Na there
Leave
you
her, leave
talk.
her. Leave her.
Like
She be
all
warrior.
this mad thing.
Warrior, come and fight me. Leave, just leave her.
Which one be just leave am? I know you support you. I'm telling you so you go know where you dey wrong. Abba, na every
This
time
guy
I
dey
go
very.
call
Now wetin make God punish you?
I don't know the
Now wetin
make
make God
sense.
punish
It's not
you? Make your
making
brother
sense.
and your family dey abandon you for this condition wey dey.
Now you when they abandon.
Wicked.
Now you when they abandon. You are wicked and heartless. If you don't know.
Wetin happen?
I beg you, no be
So
me.
wetin happen? Abeg come stand up. Stand up now! Come.
I'm fine.
No dey hear one, no dey talk, no dey hear. Come. Oh God, which kind of problem be all this one now? Which kind of problem be all this one? Wetin dey happen for here now? Wetin dey happen? Keep quiet, you no hear.
Leave am. Just they sharp your mouth anyhow. Me, you not gonna sign me.
Wetin happen?
Yeah, I don't need to shout. Anytime I don't get appreciation. Anytime I shout too much, my stomach will be biting me. Anytime I shout,
Dey stress the innocent child. Dey stress the innocent child. If na me, I go bozo you for the belle because you no dey hear word. When I dey tell you say keep quiet, avoid problem, you no dey hear because of your condition. If Chidinma dey talk, you wey before wey first carry belle dey talk. How about all these things now? You no hearing me? So na woman pikin na carry use your character now. You know say pikin dey learn from belle. I mean you no know. Leave all this thing no dey hear. Leave all this thing no dey hear. Leave Chidinma.
No, they advise Sam. No, they advise Sam. You know they take advice from person.
Chidinma, try the no. You try the get brain. Try make peace. You know dey hear. Wetin dey there for to make peace? Wetin dey there to make peace? What
Me,
is peace?
I don't want peace again. No, you don't even concern me. I don't want anything about peace. Count me
You
out.
don't want
I know they like all this.
I
I
don't
know they like this.
you don't want peace. You don't want peace.
I don't want peace.
You don't want peace.
Yes.
Allow me to bond first because see, I don't
See
make
this one.
me correct. Talk no, so that I don't get high BP now. Every small thing now my stomach will bite me. Allow you see this boy where you want, I will give you back times 10.
Me,
Times.
I will give you
See the
times
talk.
50.
I will-
Eat the talk.
Give it a
I will give her